Mobile World Congress, or as some would say, European Tech Ka Kumbh Mela, just got concluded last week at Barcelona. While there were some really interesting bits of technology that we saw at this year's show, there were some brands who just overdid themselves at this year's MWC. Here's our compilation of the same. The Nubia Alpha. The Nubia Alpha smartphone/smartwatch hybrid was showcased last year at IFA Berlin, and this year at MWC, Nubia showcased a final product of the same. This is basically a smartphone which you can wear in your hand, and it comes with a 4-inch OLED display along with a 500 mAh battery, which Nubia claims will give you a battery backup of 2 days. Well, I personally think that this is a bit of an overkill, and we're still not ready to actually be wearing a smartwatch which can actually replace a smartphone. Energizer PowerMax P18K Pop. Energizer showcased a phone which comes with 18,000 mAh worth of battery. Well, 18,000 mAh means you get a battery backup for 50 days. This again is a bit of an overkill, and the phone is so big and so bulky, it almost looks like a brick. 5G ready smartphone. Well, 5G is the most common buzzword at every tech event or tech conclave, and to be honest, instead of focusing on the products in the current pipeline, brands and smartphone makers are just too obsessed with launching products that come with 5G capabilities. And with the infrastructure not being in place right now, I think the hype about 5G is still a bit of an overkill. Nokia 9 PureView. While every smartphone maker now seems to go ahead with the trend of placing 3 rear cameras at the back, Nokia has leapfrogged a step ahead and launched a smartphone with 5 rear cameras. Well, Nokia claims it to be the most advanced camera setup in any smartphone ever and can take pictures up to 60 megapixels. But to be honest, 5 cameras in a smartphone is a bit of an overkill. SanDisk showcased a micro SD card which comes with 1 terabyte worth of storage. Well, to be honest, you might not really need it considering all of the music and the movies nowadays are either on streaming apps or online. So this is definitely an overkill. So what do you guys think? Will you buy a 1 terabyte SD card or a smartphone with 18,000 mAh worth of battery? Do let us know in the comment section below.